Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a resume web page. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Jotform. Jotform is a web-based service that allows users to create and manage online forms for various purposes, such as collecting registrations, payments, surveys, and more. Jotform offers a drag-and-drop form builder, over 150 integrations with popular apps, and a variety of templates and themes to customize the forms. And you also get the free account that you can test out for yourself. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Jotform. You can choose to sign up with your Google or Facebook account or using your email address. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be directed to your Jotform account. Now, to create a resume in Jotform, start by clicking on the Create Form button, located either at the center or at the top left side of the dashboard. This will provide you with 4 options: Start from scratch, Use template, Import form, and Create signable document. For this tutorial, select the Use template option to utilize a pre-built template. Upon selecting the Use Template option, you will be directed to the template library within Jotform. In the template library, the templates are organized into categories in the left menu. You can browse through these categories or use the search bar to find a specific template. In this case, enter the keyword resume to see all the related templates. Once the search results appear, you will find several different templates related to resumes. Choose the template that suits your needs, such as the resume template. Click on the Use Template option under this specific template, and you will be taken to the editor. In the editor, you will have the ability to manage and customize the template according to your preferences. You can add or remove sections, edit the layout, and modify the content. Once you have finished customizing the template to your satisfaction, click on the Publish section to share or embed your resume form. This will redirect you to the Publish section, where you have various options. You can copy the link and share it with others by clicking on the Copy Link option. Additionally, you can open the form in a new tab to view it from the user's perspective by selecting the Open in New Tab option. Furthermore, Jotform allows you to invite people to view your resume form by entering their email addresses in the Invite by Email field. This enables you to directly share the form with specific individuals. In addition, Jotform enables you to generate and download a QR code for your form. By sharing this QR code with others, they can scan it to easily access and view your resume on their mobile devices. To embed your resume form into any website, simply navigate to the Embed section in the left menu of the Jotform editor. From there, click on the Copy Code button to copy the embedded code. You can then paste this code into the desired website to seamlessly integrate your resume form. And that's it. If you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can. You can also watch my Jotform tutorial on my YouTube channel for more understanding. Thanks for watching and take care.